Luxury large one bedroom in Forest Hills entrance. On the right is a coat closet. A large living room, beautiful hardwood floors, high ceiling, lots of light during the day. It's a pantry. Beautiful kitchen, a lot of cabinets, a lot of kind of space. Comes with a window, more cabinets. It's the linen closet. A larger bedroom. You can fit a king size or queen size bed with a dresser. It comes with a closet. Bathroom all renovated, very clean, beautiful tiles. Beautiful apartment, elevator building, lounge in the building. A few blocks from the 71st Continental stop. Express train, the E train, F train, also near the MNR train, LIR train. A few blocks from the famous Austin Street. I promise very good price, gonna go very quick. If you want to view it, call me or text me so we can schedule a viewing. Thanks for watching the video. Have a wonderful day.